Chris Williams. Did John F. Kennedy really have an affair with Marilyn Monroe? Do aliens exist? Is the British Conservative Party going to win the 2010 general election? Big unanswered questions in the world today, but there are no bigger questions than the question of what is in my fridge. And indeed today I'm going to show you what is in my fridge, because I know you really care. And also it should reassure some of you who might think that I am anorexic. In reality, of course, I do eat lots of food, but I seem to be good at not putting on any weight, so let's begin have a look at what is in my fridge. Right, so over to the fridge. Right, so as you can see in my fridge, poor picture resolution, but it's recording in a not very ideal situation with the webcam not working too well with YouTube at the moment. There's some margarine that goes over the date in 10 days time. We have some sausages which I purchased yesterday from the shop. We have some pork luncheon meat. I have that my family eats all the time. We have some pork that my family gave me when I visited home last week. 2 lots of sausage rolls. I bet you don't know what my favourite meat is. We also have some grapes that my family gave me when I visited home last week. We have the second part of my dinner, which I'm having later on: potatoes, peas, carrots and sweet corn. And we also have 2 lots of strawberry trifles and some UHT milk, because it's cheaper than the conventional milk I find. And let's have a look at what's in the freezer as well. There is oven chips, roast potatoes and Yorkshire puddings. And so that answers the question of what is in my fridge, because I know you really care. And I hope you can join me for the sequel to this, which is what's in my cupboard, and also the following blog I start, which is what is under my bed. So until next time, bye for now. Bye bye.